Finally I can get rest on this bed after all the testings.
Hey Thunder King 12, may I sleep with you?
No.
Hey Vortex, how are your collectorings doing?
Oh my fracking god, you're naughty OWS 612 for fracking's sake, stop making fun of my collector rings.
Huh? QZOWS 612. Is he or she a foghorn or an lighthouse? But I don't care. Collectorings collector rings.
Wow.
What are you crying about, Nash Point?
Well, I was being called as fat for no reason, because of my horn appearance and my building. I should just eat vegetables and do exercise forever.
Oh look who's here. A double SpongeBob alarm clock horn.
Excuse me?
We are same, but different.
I agree.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
What? I never thought our Foghorn friend Suitor would sing beautifully in a male voice in the 90s.
Carla had female voice all the time.